My name is Karan Surana. I'm from VIT Chennai. I'm pursuing my engineering in civil, BTech Civil, and I got placed in Godrej Properties. For campus interaction, first of all, I used the various aptitude tests that were available to prepare for my aptitude as well as my technical skills. And I also used campus interaction videos that were available uh, of people who were previously placed in different companies to get to know the various kinds of questions that are asked by HR in a particular interview, be it an technical interview or general HR interview. I attended interview for Godrej Properties and L&T Construction. First of all, I started reading the profile of the company and also what job profile they were offering me. So according to that, I prepared myself. As for Godrej Properties, it was real estate based, so I prepared myself for some technical real estate questions and also some generalized questions that are asked usually in HR interviews, like what are your strengths and weaknesses, and how do you prepare yourself. And basically I wanted to sound confident, so that's how I prepared for my technical background also, and also my general soft skills background. Basically, I tried to work out what were the I went to their website and try and find out what are the previous projects they have pursued, where all other where all other is the company mainly based, and what is the basic work culture there. And I found out informations. I also went to various social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to find out different employees and the details and the work profile that they have. And I also tried to find out some contact some people who were already placed in that company to find out how the interview process is. The different questions that were asked were generalized. Basically, it was a resume based interview. All the questions were both technical and general questions were asked from my resume only. They asked me about my projects. They asked me about the internships I did. So I was pretty confident I was pretty confident about those answers regarding my projects and my internships. And then the other questions that were asked were basically on my soft skills and all the achievements that I have that I had written in my resume. So some general questions were asked from that too. The toughest question that was asked to me was what is the difference between VIT Vellore and VIT Chennai, or would you like to be in a college like VIT Vellore rather than a VIT Chennai? So my answer was that the population in VIT Chennai is 1/20th of the population in VIT Vellore, roughly. So the kind of opportunities that I get in VIT Chennai, keeping in mind the population, was much more than the kind of opportunities I would get in VIT Vellore. So and that was very helpful to me to achieve this kind of skills that I have achieved, and the kind of hard work that I have pursued. So I think that was the toughest question that was asked to me. My body language was I was confident enough that I have to get through this interview. I asked one question to them that there are 9 months that I'll be joining your company. So how is that in this 9 months, as I am changing from an academic phase to a professional phase, how is that in these 9 months that I can prepare myself so that I can adapt well to the professional phase of my life? So they told me that they told me to chill first of all, that it's not that big a change, and they told me to get that to start working hard enough, and to start to make a proper schedule of your day, because when you join the professional phase, you will be dealing with a lot more, and you have to be punctual, and you have to be on time. So that's what they told me to do. My nervousness, basically, I was confident enough, and I used to do a bit of yoga also. So that's how I continuously worked on that, and I also talked to my friends, kept talking to my friends and family, and they kept me motivated enough. So that's how I worked through my nervous phase. The one thing that I would tell everyone is the one thing that the HR people look in you is, you have to show yourself. You have to be what you are, and let them decide whether they are good for the company or no. You may never know what the HR people will like and what the company wants. You never know that. So just be yourself, show yourself, be confident enough, and you will get through. I mean, that's how you will get through. If you try to fake yourself, if you try to be someone else, there's a high chances that you may not get through. But the other way, the possibility is much higher. Campus Interaction is a very good portal to prepare for your interviews and your aptitude skills. You can go through the various videos that are available, and also the various aptitude tests that are available on Campus Interactions. Also, they will be keep sending you various mails to update you about your profile and the various opportunities that you have. So it's a very good portal, and you can a person can really make use of it.